Hello and welcome to another cake vlog. I'm making 100% vegan cake out of chickpea. I would use Aquafaba from 125-gram chickpea. I separated Aquafaba into two portions to make it easier to whip. I'm also using vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon. Here's my whipping machine. I subsequently transfer to a bigger bowl for ease of whipping. Soft peak have formed, and now I'm using finely ground sugar, 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time, and then I start whipping all over again. This repeats until all of the sugar has been thoroughly mixed. I would also use around 1 tablespoon baking powder. Now I'm using self-rising flour. I would carefully turn the mixture so as not to allow much air to escape. This allows for a fluffy cake. I'm mixing flour a few tablespoons at a time, putting it into the oven about 150-160 degrees. At this point, much of the cake layers have been baked. I'm whipping the topping cream. Also using sugar syrup, moisten the layers, and setting the layers one at a time. And finally adding the final touches. I missed out on the piping, but here's the final look. So I have pearls and small floral design. I was quite nervous getting into the yacht where the event was to take place. Here I am adding the flowers. And so it was time for the main event.
Just for your information, this is 100% vegan cake, chole se bana hua hai. No animal products at all, completely plant-based.
Thank you for watching.